contact ground 21-9. On runway 24 right. Copy, sir. Section 35. Again, 144, Hotel 4, contact ground 2165. 2165, Air Canada 144 is 1. Air Canada 511, wind calm, clear takeoff runway 23.
Clear for takeoff, Air Canada 511.
1926 Heavy Tower, line up runway 23.
Line up runway 23, Rouge 1926.
1213 Charlie 4, contact ground 219.
No, what's 1213?
Yeah, 062 Heavy Tower, continue number 1, routine runway inspection in progress. We'll get at least part of it done. Wind 1607 knots.
Continue number 1, Air Canada 07.
Section 35, exit left into Delta 2. Delta, just push 35. Wind calm, clear takeoff runway 23.
Clear takeoff runway 23, Rouge 1926.
Canada 062, wind 1507 knots, clear to land, runway 24 right.
Land for right again, 06.
Mark 1 Mike November Heavy Tower, line up runway 23.
Line up runway 23, Mark 1 Mike November.
Canada 511, contact departure 1288.
28 Air Canada 511.
Tower, 7373, no hot final. 7373 Tower, continue number 1, caution turbulence 787 landed ahead. I'm just going to finish up the routine runway inspection, got about a third left. 062 Charlie 4, 219.
4 219, Air Canada 062.
Rouge 1926, contact departure 1288.
288, good day.
Mark 1 Mike November, caution turbulence following 767, wind calm, clear takeoff runway 23.
Clear takeoff runway 23, Mark 1 Mike November.
Section 35, do you have the south runway to do as well? Yes, sir. Okay, off of the end and on to runway 06 right, and you can rise off 2 for left access road. Okay, Roger, on the 6 right, I'll rise you off 2 for left access road. Park 35. 4162 tower, line up runway 23.
Line 122, Captain 41.
Virgin 7373, wind 1607 knots, clear to land, runway 24 right. Land to the right, Jordan 7373. Georgian 7411 is over Newell. Georgian 7411 tower, company regional jet, half-mile final, wind 1607 knots, clear to land, runway 24 right. Clear to land 24 right, Georgian 7411. 128.8, flying well, yeah.
1288, Shamrock, 1 Mike number, thank you very much.
Let's 24 right. Cat 421 Tower, regional jet traffic at 2 final, wind 1608 knots, cleared to land, runway 24 right.
Land 24 right, Canada 421.
Pearson 7373, Charlie 4, contact ground 219. 4162, caution turbulence following Airbus 330, wind calm, clear takeoff runway 23.
Clear takeoff 23, Wisconsin 4162.
Russia 266 Tower, confirm regional jet site for visual departure and line up runway 23.
Line up 23, but the regional jet site for Russia 266.
Russia 266, maintain visual separation, clear takeoff runway 23. Runway 23 via Quebec.
Quebec, line up and await the runway 23, Hainan 7976.
Wisconsin 4162, contact departure 1288.
288, Wisconsin 4162, good day.
Virgin 7411, keep speed into Charlie 4 and contact 219.
Keep the speed up into Charlie 4 and 219, Jordan 7411. Tower, Cat 475 heavy with you for the lab 24 right.
Cat 475 heavy tower, 320 traffic at a mile final, wind 1607 knots, cleared to land runway 24 right.
For land 24 right, Cat 475.
Telegraph section 35 is off fuel, I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Section 35, thanks, good day. Russia 266, contact departure 1288.
28 WestJet 266.
Hainan 7976, wind 0206 knots, clear takeoff, runway 23.
Drawing to trade, California takeoff, Hainan 7976.
Cat 421, Charlie 4, and contact ground 219.
219, Charlie 4, Canada 421.
American 2654 tower, line up runway 23.
Line up runway 23, American 2654.
Departure 1288.
1288, Hainan 7976.
Wind 0205 knots, clear takeoff, runway 23.
Clear for takeoff, American 2654.
Like 6227 tower, line up runway 23.
Up 6227.
Cat 475, Charlie 4, contact ground 219.
Charlie 4 over ground 121, Aircraft 475.
American 2654.
Look 6227, wind 0205 knots, clear takeoff runway 23.
Clear takeoff runway 23, landmark 6227.
Envoy 3818 tower, confirm regional jet site for visual departure and line up runway 23.
Line up to wait, runway 23, and we have the traffic in front of us inside Envoy 3818.
Envoy 3818, maintain visual separation, wind 0205 knots, clear takeoff runway 23. Airline 552, maintain visual separation, wind 0105 knots, clear takeoff runway 23.
Maintain visual separation, clear takeoff 232957.
Envoy 3818, contact departure 1288.
1288, we'll see you at 3818.
Austrian 72, heavy tower, line up runway 23.
Running up runway 23, Austrian 72.
Toronto Towers, Air Transat 788, ILS 43. Transat 788 Towers, reduced to final, number 1, runway 23, traffic lining up, wind 3605 knots. Air Transat 788.